Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have the new chubby face mold from AliExpress on the Blythe, and the little chubby articulated body I want to show you today. And I want to do some comparison. I brought out some of my Chubby Blythe on Bobeck bodies, and this is not the first time that we have done a body swap. This doll is on a rainbow high body, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Let me come around. I had this idea, and I really have to credit my husband. I couldn't do half this stuff without him. I spray painted this Blythe head, and I also used a marker to do her scalp. And I took a dark hair girl, I used ribbon to make her like the, oh gosh, I can't think of her name, Onyx. What is her name? I can't think. Rainbow High Girl. And then Darren, she does have a posable head with the neck joint that Darren prints, 3D prints for me. And because of that, I knew it wouldn't be a problem to do the, I guess we did the Bobecks first, didn't we?
You know what? I don't remember anymore.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we did. They used to sell Chubby Blythe on, let me get her standing. She's teetering on that heel. They used to sell Chubby Blythe dolls on AliExpress and on eBay. And I wasn't going to get one. And then when I decided I wanted one, of course, they no longer had them. Well, eBay had them. Oh, I paid a lot. I think...
Wasn't it from Spain, too?
Yep, came from Spain, and I'm trying to decide what doll it was. And when it got here, the head was so floppy. Darren made a custom neck joint for these girls, because if you look, this is the ICY head, and it is different from the other Blythes. Let me grab a Blythe here. Look at the difference in the Blythe mold. This is a typical AliExpress doll. This, my American Indian Blackfoot girl here. It's a different face mold than the ICY. The ICY have more of a pouty lip and rounder face, and I just love them. The ICYs also come with the purple eye chips, which I left in this girl. I did not give her a face up because I wanted her to be as they came. Darren made shoes for the Bobeck body. He had done the research. I had not. He did these 3D printed as he does. He had done the research to find out that it was, in fact, the Bobeck body. Now, if you're going to make a chubby body with, I prefer this. I think these are, adorable, adorkable. If you're going to do it, please go to my website, whimsicalblythe.com, and read about the Chubby Blythe and the bodies, because there are a lot of imperfections, and I don't want you to be disappointed. AliExpress offered this new body with this new face mold. As you can see, it is more square and chubby, and I absolutely love it. It's more juvenile than the other faces to me, and this little body was not cheap. It is such a nice little BJD body, although it's not really BJD, it's just articulated. BJD stands for ball jointed. She's really not. If she were, she could ride a horse. She cannot. They go forward, they go out a little bit, but not enough, I don't think, unless I find her the right horse, which I could. But they are just articulated in every direction. The Bobeck bodies are a little cheaper than this is. I'm going to pull this off and show you this body. Oh, and the little outfits you see on AliExpress. These they had on the Black Friday sale. They started it in November, and I think it's still going. I actually got these outfits for $1.79 at one time, but most of the time they were $1.99. Let me show you this body as compared to the other body. Darren made a neck joint, and I'm going to have him tell you about that in just a second. That was not an easy fix. And he made shoes for her gigantic feet. Aren't they cute? She has the cutest feet. She even has the bottoms so she can go barefoot. They don't have the arch, but they do have the little toes. This body's incredible. It really is. And she can stand without her stand. Let me see if I can get her. We got the bigger head on there now, but she can stand without the stand, but the stand did come with the body. Let me show you a Mimi Bobeck body. I left her clothes off so it would be easier to show. And you can see that this is a more juvenile body and face than this one is. I absolutely love, even though it's a straight, and actually, you know, the Kinder Blythe did not have bendable. Of course, they had the click knees. But she has the straight arms and the straight legs, but I love her. Love, 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 love her. And here's the backside. I have not seen one Mimi Bobeck body that does not have staining from the pants that she came in. Clothing. I have not started sewing for this girl. I just have this outfit. This is a 14-inch doll dress that I had made for a 14-inch doll that I just tried on her. I've been using 14-inch doll patterns tweaked for my Chubby Blythe. I love the Chubby Blythe. Darren, you want to tell them a little bit about the neck, and do you want me to hold the camera while you do? And here's the pieces.
No, there's nothing really to show. You can show the pieces.
Here's the pieces. We cut off the body.
Yeah, the body, as far as I know, the body and the head are separate, correct? That they don't sell together.
Oh, no.
And,
It's separate and not inexpensive.
And the neck of the body, if you go back to Marna's video when she unboxed it, the neck has this ball built into it, like the I think it's the ICY bodies that have that same ball neck that's intended to be articulated, but it doesn't work. They're sloppy, floppy, and they come out. We actually I kind of, you'll show that piece again, babe, that we took out of the head.
Yeah, it looks real cool, but
it has a little nut on there that actually fits kind of in the top inside the head. And I was able to screw that piece into the head, and it would look like, but when I put it together, and the first time I went to bend it forward, then the ball popped out of the neck, and it disassembled itself spontaneously.
here's the ball that was inside the neck.
Yeah, so
And that just came right out.
Yeah, so I ended up cutting the whole piece out and digging out. Well, I pulled the ball out and attached one of my regular neck pieces that. It was a little bit different than the icy head, but pretty similar.
Like I said, she has articulation like crazy. She did come with extra hands. I forgot to bring those in. She even turns at the breast. Her legs are, I showed you that. Her little feet go everywhere. Really cute. But if I had to pick a favorite, I think I would stay with the Mimi Bobeck. I really, but she looks like the bigger Chubby's little sister. How's that? I do love them all. I did do a little face up on her. Not a lot, just a little bit. I did her eyebrows a little different. I really didn't do much at all. In fact, I forgot to do her lips. I usually gloss the lips to give them a more realistic or shinier appearance. But I took those lower eyelashes off. I didn't like them, and they went from here to here. It looked like spiders sitting on her face to me. Recently, Tracy from Eclectic Wanderings sent me this Monst doll. I couldn't believe it. I'm still over the moon. I absolutely love her. I wanted to show you the comparison of their faces. I thought that was real cute. Kind of looks like the little sister. She needs her bangs cut just a little bit, but I'm not ready to do that yet. I keep thinking sometimes they work themselves out, and I'm kind of waiting. But I wanted to show you that Darren had made shoes for Susie Sad Eyes, and they fit my girl, and they fit my girl over her little socks. I thought they were really cute. This body too is as articulated, if not more. Yeah, because I think she rides a horse. But I just wanted to show you these two together, and their little square faces and their little chubby cheeks. I just think they're cute. Let me know in the comments if you have a Chubby Blythe or if you're planning on a Chubby Blythe. I love them. I know I've said it a few times, but they're just so stinking cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.